Have you noticed something about Gen Z? Half of us are called lazy and the other half is called too serious for their age. But I don't think so Gen Z is a problem. I think it's the way that we're caring.
You hear it everywhere, right? Gen Z is lazy, Gen Z doesn't want to work, Gen Z wants easy money, Gen Z this and blah blah. And yes, some of that is true sometimes, but if only Gen Z was lazy, then explain why half of us are tired even before the day starts. And that's when it's because if we actually look around, Gen Z isn't just one type, there's three.
Group 1, the I don't care Gen Z. Because let's be real for a second, there is a small section of Gen Z who actually don't give a about anything in their lives. Spoiled, unbothered, hold zero accountability. And they become the stereotype. Group 2, the builders. The ones who are actually trying to build something and do something in their lives, they're at least trying, be it freelancing, internships, side hustles, learning 5 different skills at a time. They are building, grinding, but not glamorized. And then comes the group 3, the misunderstood ones. This is the group of Gen Z who wants to build and they're even trying, but they just can't. They can't even get out of their beds, overthinking, and basically they're not lazy, but they're just trying to figure out life. And this isn't laziness or carelessness, it's a phase. So here's when it gets unfair. Because of group 1, which is apparently the stereotype, groups 2 and 3 also get dragged along with them. Efficiency 0, judgment 100%. And no, this did not come from nowhere, because we were raised by the generations who only adjusted and stayed silent, did what they had to do just for the sake of survival, and now we are expected to do more than this along with healing all of it while succeeding.
That's heavy, bro.
Let's not also ignore the fact about how we are actually surviving. Espresso, Red Bull, Monster, and those 3am motivation reels. Sleep? What's that? वो तो optional है. And this isn't just random emotional talk, because studies show that Gen Z is the generation which has the highest level of anxiety and burnouts. Also, at the same time, we are also known as the most entrepreneurial generation ever. So yeah, low battery, high pressure, low-key a dangerous combo. And then people come and say,
Gen Z only wants hookups and
yes, hookup culture exists, but surveys and statistics show that 80 to 97% of young Indians are more leaned towards serious relationships. So no, we are not anti-love, we are just tired of toxic love. A lot of us feel like jack of all trades but master of none, which basically means trying everything, knowing everything, and mastering nothing yet. But honestly, isn't that better than mastering the wrong thing for life? Like a lot of our past generations were forced to do so. You know what? I get it though. Why? Trust me, I've been it all. Some days I'm overworking, some days I can't even start. And that's when I realized that this generation isn't lazy. We are just tired of being misunderstood because we are carrying a lot too early. If this video felt too real, send it to someone who's tired of being misunderstood all the time.
Ooh, I almost forgot. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if it felt too real. You can also put out some comments down below about more such topics you want me to speak on. Don't worry, fun stuff is also going to come. So happy new year, stay safe, bye, love you.